Hey guys, in this one I'm going to be drawing Hatchling from Stumble Guys. I'm going to start with the top egg shape. So let's draw a curve like so. Now it's cracked, so we're going to bring it up, down, around, and then over this way like so. And now we've got a little bit of a fringe from the little hatchling here, there and there, a couple of lines there. Directly underneath that we're going to put like a shape like this and point that like that. That's the nose of the chick. Then just inside here we're going to put one eye, colour that in. And over here we're going to put the other eye, try and keep them the same size, colour that one in too. Now it's closer to here because he's looking, or the chick's looking that way. Now the side of the chick comes down and around like so. Now we're going to bring this side of the head down a little bit and a couple of little bits coming off. And then bring this down and around. Let's finish that off there. Now there is a lighter patch coming in and around here, but we can do that when we colour in. Now we've got some like sort of feathery bits around the neck, so I'm just going to bring a shape like this around. And it also looks like there's a few bits coming off, almost like a bib there. Then we've got a shoulder coming around into the wing like that. And then we've got the shell. Let's bring the shell on. Up, down, up, and a little crack around like that. And then this is going to come around. Bring that around. And one leg's going to go in there. You see the front of that one, but you don't see the front of this one, so bring that around like that. Try and sort of match your shell up. Bring a line coming up here for this wing, and then this one comes down and sort of tucks in behind there. Now we've got the leg, bring it down. Now we've got the foot, a little shape like this for the toe there. And this is a front on toe, so it looks sort of like that. And then this one here, like there. There's his toe with a couple of little stripes. Now we've got to draw the other leg. This one's a bit more side on, so it's going to come back. There's a little bit coming back like that. Now we've got little toe there, one. This one's a bit longer. Two. This one's a bit shorter. Three. All the way back up into there with one, two bits, and there's like a front edge on that one. There's another edge on this one. And there's a back bit of the shell in there. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you got a bit out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Thanks. Bye. See ya.